In the volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous world that we have in business today, business leaders need to have a mix of cutting-edge content and access to professional networks to be able to excel in business. For this purpose, we have 3 programs at the LKCSB. We have the Executive Masters in Business Administration, which is for candidates with experience between 10 to 20 years in the business world. The Masters in Business Administration degree for candidates between 3 to 10 years of work experience, and the Masters of Science in Management for candidates with no work experience to up to 3 years of work experience. The MBA program at SMU has an innovative, cutting-edge curriculum to help maximize the leadership trajectory of participants. We have a mix of regional case studies, overseas immersion visits to Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, the US and other countries, and a set of well-rounded electives to maximize the learning of participants. The EMBA program at SMU has a curriculum that was developed in collaboration with 100 senior business leaders. The focus in the EMBA program is on Asianizing global businesses and globalizing Asian businesses. More than 60% of our graduates have titles of C-suite or senior director level and above, and the compensation of our graduates 3 years after graduation is among the top 5 in the world. The Masters of Science in Management is a program that students take as their first experience in management studies. The program offers an innovative curriculum along with extensive industry linkages to jumpstart your career in management. And the blended program in the Masters of Science in Management is among the first in Asia, and it helps you manage your studies along with your career. The post-experience suite of management programs offers internship and job placement opportunities with a network of over 2,000 companies that are connected to our career services. The school also has an extensive set of industry network to help facilitate these overseas actions. The programs offer opportunities like internships, overseas immersion programs, business study missions, overseas visits for participants to broaden their global outlook and to sharpen their knowledge of country-specific management styles. The program also has extensive industry connections to enable participants to get global exposure. Our career coaching services and placement schemes enable your career advancement after graduation. If you have the right profile, then the programs will help advance your career with you.